Pleasant day to everyone. It is a pleasure to help you and everyone else know how to use the Sql Exists. So, let's get started. But before we start, what is a Sql Exists operator? The Exists operator is used to test for the existence of any record in a subquery. The Exists operator returns true if the subquery returns one or more records. True meaning in programming means 1 or it has a value. False means 0 and has no value. Here is the syntax for a Sql Exists operator. Select column names from table name where exists, open parenthesis, select column name from table name where condition, close parenthesis, semicolon. Now this is how to use the Sql Exists operator. Make sure that you already have a database when performing this operator. For this tutorial, we will be using the Northwind database as a sample. Example: the following SQL statement returns true and lists the suppliers with a product price less than 20. Just type the following. Select supplier name from suppliers where exist, open parenthesis, select product name from products where products.supplier ID equals suppliers.supplier ID and price less than 20, close parenthesis, semicolon. Next is execute the query by clicking the execute button or simply pressing F5. The table retrieved all the prices with less than 20. Let me give you another example. The following SQL statement returns true and lists the suppliers with the product price equal to 22. Now we're using the price equal to 22 since we used the price lesson earlier, so again, just type the following. Select supplier name from suppliers where exist, open parenthesis, select product name from products where products.supplier ID equals suppliers.supplier ID and price equal to 22, close parenthesis, semicolon. The table retrieved all the prices equal to 22. And there you go. That's how you use the Sql Exists operator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. For more information about SQL, just visit our channel.